Hi friends, this video is going to be on Dufalac. Dufalac syrup contains lactulose in it. This is made by Abbott Pharmaceuticals. The price for one bottle is 196 rupees. It comes in 120 milliliters of lactulose. Lactulose is a laxative taken to treat constipation. It is also taken to help a severe liver disease called hepatic encephalopathy. Lactulose comes as a sweet syrup that you can swallow. It's available on prescription and to buy from pharmacies. Do not give lactulose to children under 14 years unless recommended by a doctor. Lactulose relieves constipation by drawing water into the bowel to make feces softer. The most common side effects are diarrhea, bloating and wind. These are usually mild and short-lived. Lactulose takes at least 48 hours to work. If you find the taste of lactulose too sweet, you can dilute it with fruit juice or water. Lactulose is also called by the brand names Dufalac and Lactogol. Lactulose can be taken by adults including pregnant and breastfeeding women. It can also be taken by children aged 14 years and above. Babies and children can take lactulose if their doctor recommends it. Take lactulose once or twice a day. You can take it with or without food. Your dose of lactulose can go up and down depending on how well the medicine is working. For adults, the starting dose is usually 15 milliliters taken twice a day. And for children between age of 5 and 17 years, the usual dosage is 5 milliliters to 20 milliliters twice a day. For children between ages 1 and 4 years, the usual dose is 2.5 milliliters to 10 milliliters twice a day. For babies between ages of 1 and 11 months, the usual dose is 2.5 milliliters twice a day. For adults with hepatic encephalopathy, the usual dose is between 30 milliliters and 50 milliliters taken 3 times a day. Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid during the day while you are taking lactulose, or your constipation may get worse. Never take 2 doses at the same time. Never take an extra dose to make up for a forgotten one. Other common side effects include bloating, wind, feeling sick, being sick, stomach pain. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.